I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be doing a cute little hair tutorial. So today I'm working with Nadula. They sent over the pack. You guys know it's up and it's stuck with us. I love this company and the quality of their hair. You're gonna see me do a glueless install with this wig, and then from there we're gonna do this beautiful style. Originally I was saying I wanted to do like just a little bang right here, and then just kind of do that little small swoop, and then you know how you like cut it so that's like the perfect show you simple curl right here, and then the rest of the hair goes into like a half up half down situation, and maybe put some curls in that. That's essentially what I wanted to do. And then I decided to swoop it as I was doing it, and I actually liked that more for this wig and just my mood for today. The hair is 24 inches in length, so I'm going to stand up in just a minute and give the vibes. But I want you guys to see what it's going to look like at the end, what we're working with today. Let me know what you guys think. Now let's jump right into the video. Today we are going straight, and you can definitely guess that they laced us with some goodies, so you can definitely see what they gave us towards the end of the video. Okay, so she is 24 inches in length, which is what I guessed. 150% density, which honestly I would have guessed 180. She does give nice and full. Sorry, she fell on the floor. And then she is a 13x4, which I also guessed. So I'm getting pretty good at this, which I guess I should be. Let me go ahead and switch from this to this, and then we'll get started on the install process.
This tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left?
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games, now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change over time.
Wave, my inner soul make a village glow. You can see the real through my inner scope. Real grows with a feel cold. Get my spirit to the pen stroke. Young Westbrook and the rim is low. Sweet tang when I fall through. When I hit the queen with the give and go. I've been getting close, I've been feeling go. I've been in a mode when my pupils dilated. Take the beat and then annihilate it till the siren faded. Fuck a violation, I've been going places. It's no escaping how I ride my wave and chasing Percy meals with no limitation. Carve a smile with they straight faces. Therapeutic, self-medicated, I've been doing fine for a low life. Seeing clear through the low lights. Straight gas for the stove light. Chasing green, all I know is to go. They send my pro when the show's right. Third finger to my old life. I can't lose. Count up the blue. Spend nothing, reboot. Put on for the crew. It's a coup. Don't got no roof, so I can shoot for the star, yeah.
Heart race, pounding.
So I can shoot for the star, so I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star, yeah.
Fast, heart race, pounding. Get that.
So I can shoot for the star, so I can shoot.
Way up, the sound is.
So I can shoot for the star, I just hit the Brody, what you want? I just caught myself a little map to remind me where I'm from and where I'm going.
Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Don't take it personally. Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Don't take it personally. Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Don't take it personally.
Blame it on the party, blame it on the booze. Grab a gun if you want it. Make fake news on the news. Wipe your tears, cry, baby, baby, baby. Ooh, it's not about you. I don't even get it. Why you got the blues and the world on your shoulders? Walk in every shoe. Wipe your tears, drink up and dance like we all fools. It's not about you.
Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally.
Okay, baby, are you ready for the tea on this look? So I feel like I did a light slay. I think there are definitely, I could have took my time, I will say, and perfected the ponytail. As I mentioned, this one is a 4-inch parting space going backwards. So kind of like my favorite when I'm doing like a half up, half down like this is usually a 6-inch, because that way I can go further back and collect a little bit more hair. The key to this is that you want to make sure that the ponytail ends before the tracks start so that you can cover the tracks. So that was like my only dilemma, which obviously wasn't a dilemma because I knew that before I even started. But in my head, I started off saying that I wanted to do like the side bang that curls with the bun up top, and clearly I ended up doing a side swoop as well. Another thing I can say I can do is this is just here behind my ears and going down, but if I was actually going out right now, like tomorrow when I wear this look, I would definitely bobby pin behind the ear, maybe even tuck the hair so that it doesn't look like there's this thick extra piece. You can't tell like right now right here, but it'll keep, especially like, you know, messing with the kids and stuff, it'll definitely keep like coming forward like this, which isn't bad. I could actually take and just curl this. Maybe that's not a bad idea. So just curl this, but then I feel like it's kind of busy if I do such a thing, and I don't want to curl it and I don't like it and then there's this curled piece behind the ear. But this doesn't look too bad in front. But if I do decide not to curl it and I keep it as a swoop behind the ear, then I definitely would want to pin it so that it doesn't move. Another tip I can give you is when you get to the ponytail, like after you've already like sectioned off everything here, you've already sectioned out your bang, you can definitely make this go up, but as you guys can see, it's like an awkward motion, so you probably would more so want to hairspray it so that you don't have to use like bobby pins and they'll be exposed right here. I think personally it's best to just keep it separated and take it behind the ear, as we learned from Eric and Tay. Even before I seen his video on that, I always just did it this way, bobby pinned it, and even if I didn't tuck it behind, I'll bobby pin it so it didn't move forward. But you just go ahead and put a scarf on this space to keep it from moving and lifting like it did on this side, and also to make sure that you can really get that ponytail. So my ponytail is a little bit more on the messy side. The good thing for me is that we love a good messy pony, and kind of one of the ways that you kind of bring it home is that when you wrap a little piece of hair around the base of the pony, it gives like it's supposed to be a messy ponytail. Makes it a little bit more chic and posh when you don't see that actual hair tie or rubber band around it. And then final and last tip I think I can give you guys for this look is that I'm completely fine with the density of my ponytail. This I'm used to, and this doesn't bother me for my everyday lifestyle. But if I was like intending to actually like go to an event, which I want to start going to YouTube events. I feel like all the baddies on YouTube, all of us brown girls need to come together, unite, befriend each other, create our own community offline to kind of help each other to like, you know, it's not the same when our counterparts put the effort that we put. They're millionaires with a million, subscribers and followers and all of that. And with us, it just takes a little bit more. And so I think if we come together and create a community, travel together, create fellowship within one another, it kind of will help us in a way, in many ways. But that's a whole nother subject for another day. But my point is, what was I saying? I wish I could rewind. I went on a tangent. I don't remember what I was trying to say. But basically what I was trying to say is, like, if I'm going to an event, if I'm traveling, if it's my birthday or just a special day, I would definitely take a bundle. And you don't even need a whole bundle unless you're like extra. You can take like a half a bundle or a nice piece of bundle and wrap it around this just to create fullness that kind of like makes it match the density of the length of the hair. I believe I mentioned this one is 150% density. I have all the exact deets if I said anything wrong in the description box, so make sure you confirm there with all the stats on this one. But just adding a bundle will definitely help the ponytail match the length of the hair if that's something that like bugs you. But again, you guys see, like, this is something that I'm wearing every day around, just with my husband and my kids. I'm not going anywhere special. This gives what needs to be given. You can also add a little bit of powder in the parting if that suits you. This lace is absolutely beautiful, so I genuinely don't think I need it, but I'll just show you what it will look like just to add a little bit. And keep in mind, majority of the time when I do this, you see me add like powder or concealer. These are very non-permanent options, meaning if I add powder right now, by the time, 2 days, this will last for like a day or two, and then I'll have to reapply the powder. Like, the powder wears off quick, which I like, because sometimes the powder that works tonight, tomorrow when I get in the sunlight, or when it's daylight in my or natural light when I get ready tomorrow, I may feel like the powder's too red. Not because I used the wrong powder, but because every lace is different. Like, this lace was very brown and it was perfect for my complexion. Some lace is very transparent and ashy, so when you put one powder on those two different laces, you'll get, or pieces of lace, you'll get a different effect, if that makes any sense. So if I just realize, the powder is too light, I don't have to worry about the oranginess. I can go ahead and switch it out for a more cool tone powder or a more rich powder, whatever I need to fix it. But that was a mouthful. As I did mention, this one did come from Nadula. You guys already know they come through with the packs. So there was a drawstring backpack that the wig came in. Very similar to that one. My kids took it over, and you guys have seen me show the backpack in all the videos. This headband, I actually have one of these in my drawer from them that I just organized my closet and put it in there, and I was like, I need one more because this weekend is my son's birthday, and I want to do these headbands on the girls with these really pretty twilly dresses with like some black and white Adidas for that, like, you guys have seen all over social media, little girls nowadays, a trend is like a really pretty, like almost formal, like beautiful dress with like socks and tennis shoes. So they're gonna go for that vibe this weekend, and I thought those headbands will look really cute. So I'm happy they sent me one right in time. Now I have two for both girls. This is a beautiful headband here, perfect to, you know, get a use out of, especially right now during spring. Very Hawaii-esque as well. And then this is a little pack. This is another scarf that I wanted a second one of. I showed you guys this one, and I showed this thick cloud print with the taupe and a little strip of brown and that blue. I think this is beautiful. I also want to do a look with myself with this scarf, but I also would love to start getting the girls into more like scarves and hair accessories. I've been saying it for years, but I'm finally starting their hair journey and just trying to embrace their natural textures and just learn the textures and what products actually work for their hair. Always a journey, right? This here is a pack of hair clips. We got a pack of wig caps, and then there's a nice, there was a nice 3D mink pair of lashes, which you guys have seen those before, but they fail and I am lazy. I'm gonna let you guys go, but I do hope you guys enjoyed this quick, fun little tutorial. Let me know if you like this style, what you would do different. I've seen plenty of people do like 2 ponytails or 2 buns. I would love to try that on this channel as well, but again, in those situations I probably would just request that they send me like an extra bundle to like make the buns actually thick, or even like making this into like a bow. I want to give you guys the heat and the content and kind of slow down with the tutorial so that each one can be a lot more in depth. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm Ashley. If you're tuning in for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, tell everybody to come like and subscribe. Go on your daughter, your friend, your baby daddy, whoever you know that has a YouTube channel or a YouTube account. Go on their account, hit that subscribe button, spam the likes, spam the comments, give me some energy so that I can bring some heat to you guys and let you guys know that you got, so that I can know that you guys want to see more content from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.